You're watching F5. We are here at Mobile World Congress 2025 in Barcelona, Spain. And we're in this wonderful F5 booth where we're able to collaborate with our partners. One of our partners that's with us right now is NTT. We have a presentation that Hirai-san has given us already, and we'll record that, or we've already recorded that, and we'll upload that. But I just also wanted to have a conversation with him as well. So, Hirai-san, can I get you to introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Shiku Hirai from NTT R&D. So I'm a research engineer and responsible for designing future end-to-end network architecture for NTT Group business companies like NTT Docomo. And my current research area focused on applying hardware acceleration technology like DPU and GPU into the legacy telecom network functions.
Very cool. So, you have developed this. We will already have a presentation around this. You gave us a presentation around this. But I found it interesting in that seeing people recognize the DPUs and seeing the potential in there. So you already had a background. You knew a little bit of C programming. We talked about this. You know a little bit of C, like Python, Go, and then you had to adopt DOCA.
Yes,
in order to be able to do this. So what are all the pieces you have to know in order to program a DPU? What kind of familiarity? You have to know a couple languages?
Yeah, so I am familiar with the C language. So actually we used the DOCA APIs leverage based on C programming.
Yeah, cool. Have you done any CUDA?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I love CUDA.
Oh, really? Okay. Have you made anything on the CUDA using CUDA framework?
So some sample program.
Yeah.
So, for example, simple deep learning sample application.
Oh, cool. Oh, fantastic. As far as like help to get started on that stuff, is there lots of documentation, examples?
So regarding the Docker, there are many supportful and useful documentations provided by NVIDIA. So yeah, it's easier to try.
Yeah, very cool. And this project, you said it's two people worked on this project mainly?
Proper engineer.
two full-time engineers working on this?
Yes.
Yeah. And how long did it take for you to develop all this?
Regarding this project, so 2 or 3 years.
Wow. Very cool. You also had to get familiar with Kubernetes?
Yes.
You had to learn some
I
Kubernetes
love Kubernetes.
Okay, awesome. Very cool. Did you already know Kubernetes, or you had to learn Kubernetes to do this?
Yeah, so as you may know, so current 5G core network functions like UPF and other functions already deployed on the Kubernetes platform.
Okay, so you're already familiar from that. Very cool. Great testing here on your, this was the QoS capabilities, I believe, and there's already been some testing that Docomo has done around this and how it's faring in the environment. Great performance on there. And this is kind of the dream, eventually get to a scenario where you have a CUPF, and you were saying this is, probably looking at like a Grace, so maybe on a DGX line out here, and then here something on the edge that would be more deep, have this consolidated down on Bluefield 3, could be something else right sized for edge. So real AI enablement here sounds like maybe, Docomo preparing for AI use cases in future.
But current status is early research phase in this POC. So yeah, we need to continue to discuss with Docomo guys about this topic.
Yeah.
It's the same.
Yeah. Some options for them. And then we have Big IP next for Kubernetes on Bluefield 3, so helping to take care of the CNF workloads and potentially multi-tenancy, some security aspects as well, and especially in an AI factory environment. being able to have multi-tenancy if they offer GPU as a service, perhaps inference out at the edge. I think that's really cool. Great research project that's going to yield, I think, a lot of benefit for return on investment and cost savings and enabling the business to do potentially really cool AI things.
Thank you.
I love the work. Thank you very
so
much
much
for joining me. Make sure you follow us on LinkedIn, on X, Facebook, YouTube. Follow, like, subscribe. Check out this actual full presentation as well. And otherwise, we will see you on the next one. Bye, folks.